One me see, I am sick. It's no jokes, pay attention closely. I'm sick and lonely with no one to hold me. Boldly she told me I was her one and only. I'm sick of her lies because she was in bed with Anthony. I'm sick of fake friends who never promote me. I'm sick of being talented and even my family doubt me. I'm sick of the shit radio stations play mostly. If it wasn't for social media, some of you people would have never hear about me. I'm sick in a cold, dark world. Sick with how my life now seems to sparkle. Sick of crying tears, no one to talk to. A Johnny hears me grumbling in the bathroom and asks Daddy, who want you to argue? I'm just sick of being broke, son, and can't even do what I want to. I'm sick of fake foods and fake medication. I'm sick of fake news, fake information. Some sick and confused, fake education. Amaziyah the great views. We're living among a sick generation.